Simon! It's happened. It's happened, Simon.
What are you talking about?
We're saved. I saw him with my own eyes. Simon.
Who?
The Lamb of God.
See?
6 weeks.
That's right. You're lucky to not be in jail.
Hey,
We're ruined.
This will cover about half your penalty balance.
Half the penalty.
days, man.
I'm ruined.
Extended rates compound at 15%.
What just happened?
Don't speak, just walk. I owe taxes.
We all do.
A lot. They were set to take the boat, our houses. I won't argue that. I'm trapped, but
Where is your faith?
isn't it again more fish? But fishing didn't exactly go like I planned the other night. What's that? What to do? I got that. Net to net, lost everything. Burnt every position.
Rob, hold on. If the Messiah has arrived, anything is possible. Don't you see?
You're the God I'm supposed to thank. You know, if I didn't know any better, I'd say you enjoy yanking us around like goats and can't decide whether we're chosen or not.
It's me.
No time for this.
It's him. Simon, it's the man. John said it's him.
Me. I'm in a hurry. Yes, I know. I'm Jesus. Sam.
Put that down for a second.
We've been doing this all night. Now, that's your word.
I will stand up and faith. I'll do anything it takes to flow in. And my sails, your love never fails or fades.
I am a sinful man. You don't know who I am and the things I've done. We've waited for you for so long, we believe. But my faith, I'm sorry.
Follow me.